Hi everybody. I wanted to take a minute and check in. You guys are doing a great job on your assignments, a great job on your discussions. Don't forget to reply to at least 2 of your fellow students in those discussions to get the full points. What I would like you to make sure you do this week is go back and check your grades tab. If there are any assignments that you don't have point grades for, it means they're not complete, or I've left you a note as to what to do to complete those. Maybe you've turned it in incorrectly or I can't see your post. But you should have a note there. By the end of this week, I'm going to zero all those out. So hopefully you can get all of that done this week. And starting next week, we're starting our novel. It's Fahrenheit 451 by Ray Bradbury. We're going to take the last 4 weeks of class to read this together. You'll notice that next week there's not a lot of assignments because I really want you to read carefully the first part. This book is separated into 3 parts. Week 5 and week 6, we will be working on part 1. We will be working on part 2 in week 7 and part 3 in week 8. So we're going to do this together. There's some introductions to the book in this next module and also one discussion, but I really want you to take the time to read it. I'm showing you the book because if you'd like to get it, if you want it in your hand, you can order it, maybe go to a library if you know someone who has it. But there will be a free copy online for you, but I know some people like to have the book, so I'm letting you know. Thank you so much again for your participation, and let me know if you have any questions, and please go back and check those grades so we can get that all taken care of for you this week.